One of the top questions I get is, does my store look legit, or does my store even look good? So I'm going over the top 5 things I change when upgrading a store's design. First off, let's upgrade your fonts. It's nice to have 2 to 3 different fonts, but don't go crazy. I recommend balancing them out too, like a script or an impact style font, making it bigger and only using it for one minimal headline. You want to choose easily readable fonts with font sizes that are large enough. You have to remember, a lot of people will be viewing your site on their mobile devices. My vote here would be function over style. Check out Google Fonts because a lot of Shopify themes incorporate them, so you can play around with different combinations and fonts there. Next is that you want to have a cohesive feel, like a vibe. It's like how you can go to multiple brands in a niche and find them serving different audiences, then styling their marketing to reach that audience. Just take a look at all the different online fitness brands that are out there now and how different they can all be. This applies to your niche as well, and you need to decide where you fit in the market. Then create a cohesive feel and design that matches that. Okay, so I cannot go any further without talking about the importance of good photos. I recently got new product photos for my books for prices ranging from $130 to $300 on Fiverr. The process was really easy and I'm super pleased with the results, so watch that video next if you're interested. You can really easily take your own quality photos at home though, using different techniques and some inexpensive products from Amazon. Photos really help elevate your brand, and even just having the photos all be a cohesive style and shape can make a huge difference. You can take your overall site design and marketing up a notch easily by just improving this one piece, so do not forget this step. I will link below all the products I purchased from Amazon for these at-home photo styling items. Next, we have accent colors. For an elevated, more expensive design, I recommend using 1, maybe 2 accent colors throughout the site as call to action buttons. You really don't want to overdo it and have the eye confused on where to look though. Create moments of rest, like in the Allbirds site design. Not only do they have great pictures from different angles that break up their homepage more, but they also have moments of space and rest. Different alignments to break up the page flow more. Their accent colors are only really seen in the header area and in the site buttons. They're subtle, but because the rest of the site design is so clean, they really stand out. Having cool features rounds out our list, and for this I'm talking about functionality like store locators, wish lists around the holidays, rewards programs for shoppers, and so on. These are benefits that keep people coming back to your site as a resource. So look at what the big boys in your niche are doing and research available Shopify apps that can help you set that up. Even just implementing 1 new feature per quarter is a great way to roll it out over time. Now, to watch how I hired my 3 photographers on Fiverr for my custom photos, then check out this video over here. And if you want to watch more videos like this all about e-commerce and how to grow your online store, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss an upload.